Hi friends! The steps I'm going to explain today come directly from technicians who have been working for years in this well-known appliance repair shop, so don't worry, we're going to fix it. When a customer brings in their microwave showing EE6, they almost always say, "It locked up and EE6 appeared, it won't heat at all." This usually means there's an issue with the touch panel or the control board because the machine detects that something isn't communicating properly and shuts down to protect itself. Interestingly, many customers tell us, "It was working perfectly last night, and today EE6 just popped up," which matches what's often discussed in forums. Essentially, the microwave is signaling that it isn't receiving the panel's commands correctly, or that the board is detecting an internal fault. That's why in the shop we always check the panel and board connections, because sometimes the contacts get dirty or loose. One customer told us, "I unplugged the panel, plugged it back in, and everything went back to normal," showing that many times there's no need to replace the entire board. Now, if the microwave shows EE10, customers usually notice it won't heat and EE10 shows up, like something's broken. This is often related to the magnetron or the high voltage circuit, as the machine detects that microwaves aren't being generated properly. In the shop, we've seen that EE10 is often caused by loose connections, damaged capacitors, or voltage spikes. As one of our technicians says, "Before replacing the magnetron, I always check the wires and capacitors. Most of the time, that's enough to fix it." On the other hand, when EE16 appears, customers comment, "Everything was fine, and suddenly EE16 popped up." This almost always points to an issue with the temperature sensor or thermal fuse, because the microwave detects overheating or a thermal protection failure and locks down automatically. In these cases, we check fuses, sensors, and connections, because many times just cleaning or replacing the thermal fuse gets the microwave working again. One technician told us, "I changed the fuse and that was it. It heated normally again." However, if EE16 persists, Sharp recommends contacting an authorized service center, as it may be necessary to replace the sensor or control board.